Hi, so this is a very quick demo of how you would use the Power Query get parameter functionality. So in Excel, under data, get data from other sources and a blank query. This opens in a different window. So then go to the advanced editor, and instead of this code, you would just paste in the code that is in that document. There you go. So you should see no syntax errors. Click done, and I would normally call this get parameter. Close and load. You won't see any difference, but you'll see that this works. If you double click it by accident, you'll see that it comes up with a name range. 9 times out of 10, you're not going to want to do that. You're just going to want to find a cell and call it something. So let's call this file get file. So that's now a named range. So if we go to formulas, name manager, we can see that get file is sheet 1 F3 in this workbook. So then using the data, get data from CSV file, or sorry, we could actually do it the other way. So from other sources, blank query. This creates a query for you, and in the source you could copy that CSV option. And so just remember that this is the name of the named parameter that you've just, the named cell that you've just specified. So that was get file. It is case sensitive, so just bear that in mind as well. This is going to come back and this is going to error because it's going to say we can't find it because it's got nothing in that value. But that in theory would work. So if we go back to sheet 1, we go back to sheet 1, I'm clicking on me, let's move me over there. There you go. So that get file is exactly the same as this get file. And if there was a value in there for a web address that I wanted to actually get some data from, that would go off and pick it up. Hope that helps. Hope that's useful. See you soon.